Firstly, when you are going to construct a house, the first priority is a paralyzed man. If there is a paralyzed man in the house, he will give the first priority. And the children who are affected, autism, mentally retarded, and cerebral palsy, they will give the second priority. And the third priority will go to the woman-headed families. And now, when you are around the table, 10 people are there. You are helping 5 families. I am going to give 5 sewing machines to 5 families. They lost their sewing machine. When they get the sewing machine, they can start their life. Actually, you are helping around the table, you are helping 5 families. When you are raising 500 pounds, that will help 5 families. And we are selecting selecting the beneficiaries through a transparent procedure by the members of the local body. Then we will go to, our team will go there, and there will be a physical examination, whether it is right or wrong. Then you can also, anybody can go there and random examination, random scrutiny, everything can be done. And we are the guarantee. I'm giving you the guarantee that it will reach the genuine hands.
August 15 to 28, we had really a bad situation in Kerala, and in fact the worst affected place among all the 144 constituencies in Kerala, it was from Mr. Satishan's constituency, which is called North Parvur. As a matter of fact, I am coming from a charity organization, so as Mr. Tumkasunga from Habitat for Humanity. I am from the Manapat Foundation. So we all have gathered ourselves only for one reason, because of the credibility of this gentleman who is standing next to us. He is one of the most secular, credible, transparent leader of our state, who has been instrumental for saving at least 100 lives during those 3 unfortunate days where the flood happened. Because of his untiring efforts there, we could save a lot of lives. But today when you come and see the place, it is completely devastated. A lot of lives have, in fact, their livelihood have been lost, businesses are not there, houses are collapsed. We want to bring them back, these people. In fact, we threw an idea in front of him that we have to rebuild this North Parvur in such a way that within next 3 to 5 years' time, this has to be brought back to, not to its original situation, but it's something better than that, so that it will become another Kerala model. A constituency where we want to bring it to be a model, so that a disaster after disaster, how we can build up these things. And in fact, as a matter of fact, we have done an extensive survey conducted through Xavier Institute of Management and Entrepreneurship, who have conducted, we have all the data details with us. We have selected the people in such a way that it's absolutely transparent way and most deserving people. And we will make sure every penny given by each individual, either you can come there and select a beneficiary and ask us to get it done. There is no administrative charge, there is no service charge, all will be met by our NGOs, while the beneficiary will get the entire amount what you are sending from here to them.